I'm already going.
Okay, we just got done cutting all these cells out. Nice cut for those block people at home. You want lightweight block. Now that you got all your cutting done, you got to clean your cells out. So, steal a pair of pantyhose from your wife, your girlfriend, the cross-dresser next door. Get it in your vacuum there.
It's gonna fall out. It's not on there right.
Oh, that's all right. Okay. Need power. So for all you concrete finishers and masons and people that pour forms, this is how you keep the inspector off your butt when there's a lot of dirt in the hole.
I told you that thing wasn't on.
That's pretty much it. Use your shop vac.